Good morning, children. Today's topic is community decision making in a tribes for class 6 state syllabus children. Tribes, societies where all people are equal. Different kinds of societies who generally live in forests are called tribes. In Andhra Pradesh, we have tribes such as Chenchus, Kondareddis, Gonds, Koyas, Yanadis and Savaras. I will show all these tribal pictures in the next pages, children, continuation pages. What are the common characteristics of these tribals, children? Tribals consider each other as relatives. There will not be sharp differences like rich and poor as they share everything. All family members will share the work. Men, women and children all will work in the family. They believe all the resources are common wealth. Resources like land, forest, animals. They believe that those are all the common wealth of all the tribes. Their occupation, children, cultivation, gathering food, grazing animals, making cloth, tools and baskets are the main occupations of the tribals. Tribes of India, children. See these pictures, children. See the lifestyle, their costume, their jewelry, their way of civilization, their art, everything you can see in this picture. Tribes of India. This is one more picture celebrating festivals, their culture, their lifestyle, their costume, their jewelry. You can see in this both the pictures. Tribal people. So one of the tribes, Gonds, you can see here their jewelry, their hairstyle, their dance, their culture, their festival, how male and female people dress themselves. This is one more picture, colorful picture of the Gonds celebrating their festival, their lifestyle, culture, showing their culture. Here, Gond people, full festive decoration, their cooking style. This is one more tribe, Kondareddis. Their houses, their festival celebration, doing dance, making baskets. Here, collecting wood, their lifestyle, making baskets, chicken coops with the bamboo collected by them. Here, these pictures, 4 pictures show you Savaras, one more tribal people, their lifestyle, selling in the market, performing dance. And these 2 pictures shows the Koyas, their lifestyle, their costumes. These are Yanadis. Next, Chenchus, collecting honey, collecting food products, digging the tubers. So, all these tribal people were studied by the anthropologist. Scholars call him as an anthropologist. His name is Führer Hermann Dorf. He studied about all the tribals. Scholars called anthropologists have been studying the tribal people. They lived among the tribes and noted down their culture, their lifestyle, their belief, decision making, etc. One such famous scholar who studied the tribes of Andhra Pradesh was Führer Hermann Dorf, who came to Andhra Pradesh in 1940. He studied all the tribals whom all I have shown, like Kondareddis, Gonds, and wrote books about them. He also studied several other tribes of India, especially in the northern states. He lived along with the tribals to study the culture, lifestyle, belief, and the decision making. He is Führer Hermann Dohm, an anthropologist. So, among all the tribals, one tribe we are going to learn in a detail, that is Gonds. Here, Gond assembly, Panch will be there. Panch means assembly of Gonds. It is a council of adult male householders. Adult means more than 18 years, male means gender, and householders means those who are married, elderly people. So, adult male householders are the council of adult male householders are the assembly of the Gonds. They fix dates. What are the duties, children? They fix dates of marriages, festivals, divorces. They allow marriages, divorces. They impose fines, etc. They also settle the disputes, set the norms for the marriage or death rights, all such things. This Panch will do. Panch means assembly of the Gonds, that is council of adult male householders. And in this, young boys and women have no voice, children. They can place their problem, but they have no voice of their own. Who? Young boys and women. And the next important person in the Gond Panchayat is Patla. He is also called village headman. He is generally hereditary and derives the authority from the Panch, the above discussed adult male householders, children. This Patla or a village headman ensures the unity of the villages. That means duties of the Patla or the village headman. He ensures the duties of the villages, coordinates various community activities, entertains and feeds the guests of the village, children. And these two are very, very important in the Gond Panchayat. But now this Panch and Patla headmen lost their position of importance with the election of Sarpanchas through the general elections, children. This map clearly shows districts in Andhra Pradesh where more tribal people live. Here, Srikakulam, Vishakhapatnam, East Godavari and West Godavari in Andhra Pradesh where more tribal people live, children. And task for this video is compare the Gond Panchayat with the Gram Panchayat, children. Have a nice day. Thank you all, children.